This is simple application to learn how to use Tekla Open API by creating a BIM using the parameter that we put in here. This is a Windows Form application, so we can just put manually the start point and or end point in here, or we also can do have a picker in here. We pick the start point and then we pick the end point, and then we put the profile name, example this one, and also the material and the class. Maybe the class is 4 or 3. Okay, and just generate. See, it will automatically generate the BIM using a Windows Form application. This is only for learning purpose, because actually it's more easier if you just using a default Tekla in here. So if you're interested to learn more about this application, you can see on the description below I put the link on how to build this application. Yeah, basically just make it for fun, and then also it will be able to improve this application so it will be more useful in case in your company or your wherever you work. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you.